Are you getting this error message in Steam? If yes, then watch this video till then, because I am going to give you the 5 ways to fix this problem. The first step is to verify the integrity of the game in Steam. For this you need to open Steam desktop in your system and log in, and after that you need to click on library and select any of the game. Right click on the game and click on this option, properties. After that you will get this page, and herein you need to click on install file, and now click on verify integrity of the game files, and after that you need to follow the on screen instructions. The second option is to restart Steam and reconnect the game. So it is very easy, just restart your Steam and try to connect the game once again. Third option is to uninstall and reinstall the game, that you can do it on Steam only. Fourth step is to make sure that your internet connection is properly connected. So you can also check your router and Wi-Fi devices, or you can also try to change your Wi-Fi connection and see it whether it is an internet issue. And the last step is to disable touchpad if you are using a laptop. To disable touchpad you just need to press Windows and I button, and settings page will open up. You can also search settings in Windows search, and after that you need to click on devices, and herein you need to click on touchpad, and you can see additional settings is showing here. Just tap on this and new window will open up. You can see these are the option, mouse properties window. You need to click on touchpad option, and from here you can disable it. Just uncheck this enable touchpad and click on apply, and just click on OK. And after following all these steps, make sure to restart your Steam and also restart your PC and check whether you are getting this error message or not. And if you still face any problem, you can comment below and I will make sure to give a reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.